Hi everyone, today we're going to break down something super useful in math, trigonometry. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of trigonometry. Let's get started. So what exactly is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a part of math that deals with the relationship between the angles and sides of triangles, specifically right-angled triangles. A right-angled triangle is a triangle that has one angle that's exactly 90 degrees. Now in every right-angled triangle, we have three sides. The hypotenuse, this is the longest side of the triangle and is always opposite the right angle. The opposite, this is the side opposite the angle we're looking at. And adjacent, this is the side next to the angle we're focusing on, but not the hypotenuse. Now let's practice finding each of the three sides in this example. Feel free to pause the video and have a go yourself. Here are the answers. Sounds simple, right? Now let's talk about how these sides and angles are connected through trigonometric ratios. Trigonometry revolves around three main ratios that help us find the missing sides or angles of a right-angled triangle. Here are the three formulas that will help us. 1. Sine. This is the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse. 2. Cosine. This is the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. 3. Tangent. This is the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. Also, please note that the circle-looking thing called theta on the right means that the angle that we are working with. Now let's go through an example together. Imagine we have a right-angled triangle where one angle is 30 degrees and the hypotenuse is 10 centimeters. Now we want to find the length of the opposite side. To do this, we'll use the sine formula, since sine, as shown above, involves the opposite side and the hypotenuse. Now we are able to form an equation. Sine of 30 degrees equals the opposite side, which is x, over the hypotenuse, which is 10 centimeters. After we figured out this equation, all we need to do is solve for x. We know that to be able to find x, we need to rearrange the equation. So we're going to times both sides by 10, and then we're going to end up with x equals 10 times sine of 30 degrees. You can put that into your calculator, and we're going to end up with 5 centimeters. So that's your final answer. Alright, so now we're going to try a bit of a harder question. Imagine we have a right-angled triangle where one angle is 16 degrees and the opposite side is 10 millimeters. We want to find the adjacent side. Feel free to pause the video and try to figure it out yourself. So to be able to solve this, we need to use the tangent formula since it involves both the opposite and the adjacent sides. Now we're able to form an equation. Tan of 16 degrees equals 10 divided by x. Now all we need to do is rearrange the equation, and it comes out to be x equals 10 divided by tan 16 degrees. And then the final answer after you put it in your calculator is 34.87 to 2 decimal places. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of trigonometry and how to use it. If you have any questions or want to see more examples, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.